Here we go. PK here. Back from the fitness. Had great leg day this morning. Very strong leg workout. Highly recommended. You can look at some of the fitness videos. But what I want to tell you, I decided right now is what is the best long-term futures trade on the board if you're a futures trader. And let me tell you what that is. It's the 30-year bond. Short, meaning interest rates are going to go higher. Let me just give you a little history of what's happened. The markets come all the way down from around 172. We're talking about the June bond. You can pull up the map on your own and you'll see the chart. We fell about 20 points down, 19 points down to 153. And now over the last few weeks, we've had this rally in the bonds, which is probably giving support to the stock market because it's always the opposite. When bond prices go up, interest rates are going lower. It's always the inverse. So I'm telling you, it's a great sell up here. Around 157, 159, this is the level. We're close to around 158 in this moment. It's Monday morning at 8 o'clock. On the 26th, but I like this trade for a long-term position because I think in the long run, this should be the rally. It's gone up enough. The low is 153, rallied about 6 points up, and it should go down from this point. I think it's a very low-risk opportunity. I don't think it should break above 160, so I think the risk-reward, again, I like to go for 10 to 1, so you got to really have to keep this for a while. One thing I want to mention, we know on the TV and all the talking heads, everyone talks about the 10-year, the 10-year, the 10-year. I'm telling you, with my 35 years experience, I found the 30-year bond, U.S. Treasury bond, to be a much better indicator in the longer term regarding the stock market. Usually what it means is the bond market leads the way, and eventually stocks will follow. So we should have that pullback. Who knows when, but I would think the next month or two, we should have a pullback in the stock market because interest rates should continue to go up. And this is why the bonds are a great sell up here. If you're a futures trader, the 30-year bond, this is the one to watch. And if you're a stock trader and you're following the indexes, the S&P, the Dow, the NASDAQ, forget the 10-year. Watch the 30-year. This will give you a much better indication of where interest rates are going. And there's no question in my mind, they're going higher. I think this is the consensus. One of those times I agree. As I said, the only difference is because of this, I think the dollar will stay strong as rates go higher. Where everybody else thinks the dollar is going to crash. As you know, I trade the euro and the British pound, so I've been following these things for years. So, in conclusion, the best futures trade is the 30-year bond right now. It's a great sell. Rates are going to go higher. Let's see what happens. We'll follow it. This PK with out of the box. Wish you a great trading week. Ciao, everybody.